Today we are going to be looking at this foldable rollaway bed. In this video, I'm going to show you what comes in the box, put it together and give you some tips, and give you my honest opinion. The seller did send this to us in exchange for a video. However, all of the views and opinions in this video are my own. In the box, you're going to have the instruction manual, the actual bed itself. You're also going to have some miscellaneous pieces and parts that need to be assembled, like the casters, the base, and then the support beams. Some of the screws that you are going to need for assembly are in a bag in the package. Some of them are actually in the bed and the pieces parts themselves, so you need to remove those before you can install them. They provide all of the tools that you need to put this together. In the instructions, it shows that you should put the support bars on once the bed is laid out flat, but I was able to do this just fine without laying the bed flat, and in my opinion, it was much easier to do it that way. There are a total of 4 support bars. The mattress did have an odor when it initially came out of the box. However, it was not nearly as strong by the time I was to the point where I was going to lay this out. Plan on laying this out and letting it air out for a few hours before the first use. Opening it is very simple. You just remove the strap and stretch it out. Then go ahead and take the plastic off the mattress and you can put the mattress flat onto the bed frame. The mattress is nice and thick. It does have some give. It's pretty comfortable. And then on the bottom of the mattress are actually Velcro tabs that you can use to secure this to the base so it doesn't go sliding off of the base while you're sleeping or while your guest is sleeping. It's also very easy to fold up. The mattress stays right on the bed itself. You just reinstall the hook on the other side and you can store it away for the next time you want to use it. All of the casters also have locks on them. If you are looking for a rollaway bed that you can use for guests or for travel, I would highly recommend this one. It was easy to put together and it's very sturdy and comfortable.